And I am back with part 2. Again, this is super disgusting, so if this grosses you out, then definitely keep on scrolling. But again, I know this looks horrifying, but trust me, you're gonna want to see the results. And real quick, I know for those who are gonna come for me about peeling this off, nowhere in the instructions did it say not to peel it off. If anything, I mean, it's a peeling mask, and come on, how can you not help to peel this thing off? Like, are you kidding me? Look at that. But anyways, the results are definitely amazing, so definitely stay tuned. And by the way, these are different days that I did some peeling. As you can see, that's a lot of dead skin, but this is my other foot, and yeah, it continues. Come back for part 3, you won't want to miss it.